In today's video, we answer the question, should you delete your muffler off of your BMW? Deleting your muffler off of your BMW is one of the cheapest and simplest ways to get more sound out of your car. It doesn't change the way the car sounds. All it does is it takes the sound it was already making and just making it louder. All of the resonators and everything stays the same unless you delete those, but I wouldn't recommend that personally. But just deleting your muffler is probably the best way to get just a little bit more sound out of your BMW. Now, I've done it with the E46 chassis a lot with the 3 liters and stuff like that, but I've never done a newer turbocharged BMW. So today we're actually going to be taking the 320 that you've seen on the channel before that has the N20 motor, and we're going to be taking the muffler off of it. Now I'm actually have a shop do this, getting the muffler deleted, and then they're going to be re-welding the original tip on. The other thing we're going to be doing today is pranking my girlfriend. Now she doesn't know about this yet, but basically what I'm going to be doing today is taking the car from her and having the car get the muffler delete. She knows that that's happening, but she has no idea that after I get the muffler deleted, I'm going to be taking an inner tube from a bike and putting it over the tip of the exhaust. And then I've got to try to get her not to see the back of the car when she comes to the house later tonight. And she already knows that I want a reaction video, get her opinion on what the muffler delete sounds like on her car. So she's already expecting me to have a camera out and ready. I think if I would just kind of randomly do this, she would kind of know what was up, but where she's kind of already expecting a video to be taking place, I think this is a perfect opportunity. So if you want to prank somebody, that's a really easy way to do it. Just take an inner tube from a bike. All you have to do is stretch it over the exhaust, put a hose clamp on it. It's pretty funny, and it doesn't cause any harm to the engine or to the exhaust as long as you're not scratching the exhaust tips. But for the stock exhaust, we're going to be doing a cold start, and then I'm going to rev it up to about 2,000 RPM and then around 3,000 RPM. And then we'll be doing the same thing, kind of a before and after. And then the other thing I want to do is be able to put a GoPro on the back of the car and then kind of show what that exhaust is going to sound like a little bit up close. So it's not just recording it from inside the cab of the car. So should you delete the muffler on your BMW? Let's go find out. So unfortunately it's raining. She's gonna be here like any second. I wanted to put this on there and be able to show you guys what it's gonna sound like with that bike inner tube on there, but it's not a big deal. I definitely wanna get the camera on there at some point and show what the exhaust sounds like now without the bike inner tube later on when it's not raining. Unfortunately, I wasn't able to do the stock exhaust, but I can tell you right now it just sounded like a bunch of air moving through a pipe, and it kind of made it cool because then all you could hear was the turbo after we put that intake on it, and I'll have that video linked up here. But yeah, just kind of disappointing that it started to rain, but we're still gonna do this. Still wanna see your face. So I'm not sure if I wanna use this camera and see if I can't get my audio recording to pick it up. It's not going to pick up the sound of the silly exhaust through the car very well. It will maybe a little bit. My biggest challenge from here is to get her into the car without looking at the exhaust pipe. So maybe with the rain, I can get her to come right into the garage, and then we'll go straight to the car. And then maybe she won't see that the exhaust of her car has a bike inner tube hanging off the back. Come over here. All right, let's just sit you down right there.
Oh God. Okay.
All right, now hold on until I get over there. Yeah, we'll go for a little drive. Get to hear the exhaust. Yeah. It's just a little bit more grumbly.
It sounds the same.
It's not supposed to sound super crazy when you're just driving.
What is that? What is that? Babe, what'd you do to my car?
I didn't do anything, drive.
It sounded like it was farting.
It's just part of the thing. Just go. I haven't heard that before.
I'll take it kind of easy.
What the frick is that?
You don't like it?
That sounds... I don't know.
Try it a little bit more.
What happened?
What are you talking about?
I don't know how I feel.
Okay. You don't
You
like
think
it?
Sounds good.
Well, you haven't really got on it very much yet, but
I don't like that.
you don't?
I don't.
Why?
It sounds like it's farting. I don't love it.
Try giving it. We come out here, take a right, and then try giving it just a little bit more gas.
I don't want to. Was that a balloon? Babe, did you put a balloon on my exhaust?
No.
I know. I swear to God you did.
Pull over here. We'll check it out.
Babe! What did you put on my exhaust?
I didn't put anything on your exhaust. I didn't. You broke it. You ruined it.
Babe!
It was perfect. And you broke it. Look at that. Wait, you don't like that? No? Alright. We'll go back to the house and I'll let you fix it.
I don't want it on there.
Prank. Okay, yeah, that was so I put a bike inner tube over it.
It sounds like crap. I was like, did you really just do that to my car? Like, it sounds like someone is farting. Like, bad. I was literally about to cry, and I was like, I really hate my car now. Like, I don't even want to drive it anymore, to be honest.
Just we're good. Just baby it back. All right, now we're gonna get a true reaction. We will go and take the we'll go take the hose clamp off. I do kind of want to play around with some more of them though. You should hear them at different lengths. They're pretty funny. Maybe we'll do a video on it. I kind of want to get other people with this. I could get D with it.
You should put your seatbelt on.
Yeah, I probably should put my seatbelt on.
Who told you how to do
I
that?
saw it in a video one time.
And you decided to do it on your girlfriend
Yeah, I thought it.
when she was already scared to get this on her car.
All right, so the exhaust is slightly out, more than it used to be.
It is. I remember that.
I did tell them to do that. And
Which
then
I like that a lot. I should have looked before we left.
that's why I was so quick to get you into the
I was
car.
wondering why, because I was like, Kay, he's like being very pushy about me getting in my car and not looking at my exhaust.
Yeah, that's why. I was hoping. So it was raining earlier, like I mentioned, and that's why the GoPro's not on it, because I wanted to see it on the back of the car. I wanted to run the GoPro, but it was raining, and it's still kind of wet on the road, and I didn't want to get everything all dirty. But I was kind of hoping it would still be raining when she got here, because then I could be like, oh, you know, let's go right into the car or whatever. And it stopped like 2 seconds before she got here. And so she just casually walks over to the car. So, all right, so let's go get a real reaction. In fact, actually, if you want to start it, and I'll just get a couple exhaust clips. Now is there a smile? Yes, there it is. There.
Was so sad there for a minute. Like I was thinking about selling my car. Cause you can't take that back.
You could put a muffler back on it, but it'd be expensive, and they probably have already thrown yours away. Yeah. Okay, so what's nice about this is with your windows up, it's going to be slightly growlier here in the car, but you pop on a song, you'll never even know your exhaust was different. And this is what's nice about muffler deletes. You run it through a gear or two, and it sounds like a different car from the outside. So you add our muffler delete with our air intake, and the car doesn't sound anything like it used to. Did you hear it burble in between the gears? Hopefully the wind isn't getting on the microphone too much, but
It's getting to my hair very much.
yeah, I can see that. Okay, much better.
Much better.
So conclusion is,
Don't put a balloon or a freaking bike crap on your freaking girlfriend's exhaust. That's crap. That scared the crap out of me.
I'm sorry.
I started crying.
I'm sorry I had to. Muffler
It
delete's a
sounds
good
good.
thing.
It
Yes,
sounds good.
very subtle, not expensive to do. If you want a little bit more noise out of your BMW, that's all you have to do is do a muffler delete. So you can hear it's just slightly more grumbly in here. And that's kind of it. You put on any music at all or have a conversation and it kind of just disappears into the background. And that's kind of what her intake's been like, is you drive around with the windows up and you can't really hear it too much, and then you roll the windows down and then everybody can hear it. 320 muffler for the N20 engine. That is a thumbs up from both of us. Thanks everybody so much for watching. We've got tons of content, lots of daily driven stuff that we're gonna be doing as well. We're gonna be doing some giveaways this summer. Our link is in the description below for our Instagram. That's Tenza_Motorsports. All you have to do to be part of those giveaways is follow us. We'll be pulling a follower from that list to win any prizes we're gonna be doing this summer. I believe I'm gonna reach out to a couple of our sponsors and get some care packages given away. I think that'd be fun. We've done one of those already through Super Clean. We might do another one. Maybe we'll do another one through ECS Tuning. I think last time we did a $100 gift card. So thanks everybody so much for watching. Stay tuned, follow us on Instagram, and we'll see everybody in the next video. Bye.
Bye. Ha 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 ha!